Hey guys, so in one of our previous videos we checked out the tool, and it had some cool uses for it. It's been updated since then. I don't know if it's in the Unreal 5, but we'll try it out another day. Today we'll be using 4.26.2. I'm going to go ahead and launch it, and I'll show you how it works and the stuff that they've added. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're going to make a new game. Next, just gonna do third person. Actually, it doesn't matter. That's fine, let's just do that. We're just gonna call this testing. It's fine. Create. Alright guys, we're in the program now. We're gonna go ahead and clear the stage. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into edit, plugins, and type in mesh. Scroll down, you're going to see this. This is what we need. So we're going to enable that. We're going to hit yes. And okay, let's just go ahead and hit restart now. We're going to want to save it. And let's just wait until it reboots. Alright, so now what you're going to see that's different here. Oh, you don't have it up here either. So next we want to, if you click on modes, you'll see that now you have the modeling. I actually like to have my tab here, so I go into preferences. I think that's what it is. And then we just want to type legacy. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here you'll see in editor preferences, type in legacy up here. You'll see it here, just tick that on. You're gonna have to restart one more time. Let's go ahead and save it. Okay, so now we should have, there it is up here. So now we click here and we have them here. I like them over here better. So now we'll switch over to modeling. And if you looked at my older video, I think there's only like 3 tabs. Now there's all these, and it's pretty neat. I'm coming from Blender where I can make different things, and I've used ZBrush. This is a pretty cool tool. So if we hit box, well, I'll show you some of these. We can control the dimensions here. So if we raise that up, you'll see that it got taller, and you just start clicking. Okay, so you don't actually have to connect them. You can put them in wherever place, and after we hit complete, they'll be as separate objects. So if I want to just build something, let's just do like some kind of bridge or something. And let's pull this down again. We'll make this wide, like that. And then we'll add the depth. Here we go. That'll work. Okay, so I'm done with that. You can mess with the settings if you want, but now that we're done, you can actually control these and move them where you want them. So now we can put them straight. Alright, next thing, these, you can just play with them. You'll see that they do the same thing. Pressing escape gets you out of there. You can put other things on here if you want. If you hit escape, it'll also complete it. So done with that. Next thing is create. You can over here on each one it has an explanation on how it works. So if you get stuck, let's see. So this is pretty cool. Polygon, you can draw whatever you want, and then let's connect them. And now with your mouse you can move up or down, and then left click, and there you go. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Alright, next I'll show you the poly path. So this one is the one, I'll do it over here so you can see. So you see it makes the border bigger, smaller. So if we do it about there, left click, and then we can move it up or down. And there you go. Okay, next one is the poly revolve. I think this one is used to like draw a width. So I want it about this thick, and it makes a circle like a border around here. It's pretty cool, huh? See? Okay, accept that. And then the cut, it cuts from wherever you draw it. Kind of works like this, but it just deletes. So if we click, I'm gonna shift click these. And then we do the voxel merge. You see they actually merged. It's kind of like in a ZBrush. And then here you can choose the voxel count. Before I accept this, let me see what these do. Vox wrap. Wow. So what will it do if we hit accept? Did it actually merge these? It did. Transform. Is it just a transform for all of them? Okay, so if we do a search, we'll see that all our items are still separated here. So whenever we're finished, we can export this as one model, and we could also export it as all the pieces. So if we go to deform, next one, these are kind of cool. So we hit sculpt, it'll let us sculpt on this, and over here are all the tools. So here's a brush, and you can just mess with these strength settings and all that. So if we go ahead and do this, you'll see that it'll start. See, undo. If we switch over, oh, it has different kinds of brushes. Nice. Okay, wait. Nope, I didn't mean to accept it. That's fine. I didn't do anything anyway. Sculpt. This is cool. So it'll create more texture. I mean more geometry, but it gives you more details. So you can actually sculpt in here. You can hold I forgot what the key is. Is it? Oh, it says up here. Hold shift to smooth, control to invert, SD to change the size, E for strength. Okay, cool. Yeah, it gets a bit messy. Alright, cancel that. Let's go to plane cut. And this is pretty cool. This was actually in the other one. So if we just grab this and move it, you'll see that you can kind of cut it. So if we wanted to cut the top of these like that, and then accept. Then this one is mirror, so it'll create a mirror of it. Okay, polycut. You can move this over and you'll see it made a hole straight in. And then over here you can control, you want that cut through. Here are some options. You can make it bigger. Oh, can you draw one? I wonder if you can draw. Let's go ahead and apply this one though. Alright, now we got a hole. Next we really don't need to use the smooth, but you can see it's smoothed it out. Gonna undo, we don't need that right now. Displace, this is kind of cool. Check this out. Let it render. Look at that. Look at all that texture. We can do less. Oh, that was more, sorry. I'll have to let it render now. Oh, it was less, okay. You can switch it over here to a different type. So we'll let that one render. That one's kind of wavy. We might keep that. Look at that. That looks cool. We'll keep the wavy. That's fine. Accept. Okay. Next, we're gonna try. What is this? Space deform. I actually didn't try this last time. Bend. Oh, it's already doing it. Whoa. This is cool too. But it's lifting the back. I wonder if I could rotate it. Can I rotate this? You know what? Maybe I should accept it like this, then I'll rotate it after. Yeah, let's do that. Accept. Alright. So now I'm gonna move it, rotate, set it like this. Cool. Okay. Next, let's paint maps. But before we do anything else, let's skip ahead. We'll come back to deform, but let's skip ahead to, oh wait, right here, remesh. There's also a remesh in triangles, I think. So here it'll tell us how many triangles we have. So we've got 1.3 million. So let's cut that down to 5,000. Okay. So it still looks pretty decent. The spikes kind of went down, but I can always pull them and reshape. Gonna go ahead and accept it this way. It's got other, okay. Let's go to polygroups. And so from ZBrush, you would color these different, not color, but like you would group them in the different colors. You could work off the different polygroups, and then you could add stuff off of them. So this is kind of similar where it does that, but I haven't, let's see, mess with the, let's see what happens. Like there's no brush. Can I select? Oh, so I can do it here. Okay, I'll have to come back to this. Okay, poly edit. So you should be able to grab one of these and then modify it. Yeah. Okay. And it has other options here, look. So if we click here, we can extrude and bring it out. You can delete, merge, cut faces, flip. This is cool. Okay. triangles. Same thing with these. You can select the triangles. You can move them. So let's see. We wanted to grab this, right? Make it a point. Okay. Accept that. Alright, cool. Next. Just go ahead and play with these. Edit materials. So you have to select the material and then we paint it. And then we assign. No. Yes. Wait. Okay, so I think this is this. So because I painted, it was using that, right? Let's just make sure. So we're gonna pick one more. Let's do another rock. We'll do marble. And let's just do the top of this like that. And then we'll do 2 and then select. Did it do it? I think it did. Yep, it did. This is pretty cool. Assign. Yeah, because it's shiny. Okay, so now if we accept, it should have 3 different textures, and it does. You can see the shiny on that one. It's got the rock, and then it's got the sandstone. You can see the texture up here. So next, it looks so clean, so we could go to the next tab, and you can play with these to see what these do. We're gonna go into auto unwrap and give it a second. It's gonna render. Let's just check to see what's over here. It's to balance UV scale, automatically partition selected mesh into UV islands, flatten, pack. Yep, there you go. Look at that. Wow, this is awesome. Wow. Next, well, here you can play with all this other stuff. You can do it yourself. I think you can see, let's see, UV layout, so you can see how it's laid out. Wow, that's a lot of triangles. Wait, can I move? Okay. You can control the seams, so you can see right now where it's cut, and if you click somewhere and then you drag it, you can connect it and it'll make a seam there. So you can make your own seams in here. So when you unwrap it, let's see, UV projection. Oh, you can move, right? Yeah, you can move the texture how you want to project them. And let's see, this one you just move it up and down. So let's see, what else do we have here? Normals. You can recalculate the outside, right? Yeah, let's nope, nope. UV seam, you know, oh wait, we already did all this. Is it in the remesh? Oh, that's where it shows. Oh, we got 14,000 triangles. Let's cut these down. What did I have it at? Let's do 6,000. 1,500. Accept. So now it's finished, and what we can do is go to, you can use it Okay, I can get out. And hair, I don't know what this is. Alright, so now we can get out of this. And we have our model. And if we go over here, it should be this one. If we right click, we can go to assets. Where are you? Actions and export. We're going to save this. Okay, so it looks like I had to switch it to the 2020 version when I exported. So let's bring this up. It was about there. Oh, it's not rotated either. It didn't keep the rotation. So let's move this about here. Control A, all transforms. Shade smooth. Interesting. Oh wow, look, it kept everything. Okay, cool. Let's see. And it kept the different materials. Let's go ahead and export it out. Selected 0.01. Export. I don't want to mess with like the UVs or anything. Well, let's check them, see if they stayed. UV editor. Oh, we don't have a texture. Wait. Well, they stayed, but they're not very pretty. But you could go in there and like do them yourself, like I showed on the thing. So let's go into Bakin. Who's playing Small Game Builder? Oh, Siler. What's up, Siler? Alright. Let's go ahead and open up the new one. Let's change this back to 1. Add. All new. Okay. And looks like it kept all the materials. So if we go into make this a stamp, I don't have any rock textures. Oh wait, we might be able to use the ones here. Okay, let's see. So we go down to textures. Let's do rock. So it's a stamp now. We want to add a collision. We just add the same one. Models. That. There we go. Okay. And let's see what it looks like. Rotate it this way. All right. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And again, I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next one.